CobraHead has developed 4 tools for gardeners and growers. The original CobraHead Weeder and Cultivator uses the blade design of old cultivating hose. This blade rips soil better than any other blade design. The tool is an excellent hand cultivator. It plows the toughest soil. The CobraHead Weeder lifts out small and large roots and digs holes for planting and makes furrows. The tool features a tempered steel blade and a recycled plastic handle. It is close to unbreakable. The CobraHead Long Handle allows you to weed while standing. It has excellent cultivating ability, allows you to weed next to and around closely spaced plants. The long handle uses the same blade shape as the original, but it's angled differently to make it a perfect scalping hoe. The CobraHead Long Handle is available with 3 different handle lengths to accommodate almost every gardener. The CobraHead Mini Weeder and Cultivator is about half the size and weight of the CobraHead original. It's great for smaller hands and children, but it fits almost any hand. The CobraHead Mini weeds in the tightest areas with precision control. It's great on grasses, it's strong, it's lightweight, and it fits in your pocket so you can always have it with you. The CobraHead Broadfork is an essential tool when using a no-till approach to soil preparation. The Broadfork lifts and aerates soil without shredding it as a motorized tiller does. The Broadfork is also excellent for heavy-duty weeding, and it can assist in harvesting root crops. All CobraHead tools are made in Wisconsin.